Do you use Microsoft 365 and struggle with keeping your team in the loop with customer communications? What do you do? Put them on CC? Keep forwarding emails back and forth? Come on, there must be a better way. I'm Eve, your virtual consultant, and today I will show you how to save emails to eWay-CRM online automatically. eWay-CRM is a unique CRM platform that sits right inside your Outlook. That's why it's extremely easy to share and organize emails, even automatically. When activated, all emails, including their attachments, are automatically saved in eWay-CRM and linked with the right contacts and companies. You or anybody else can find the most recent conversations. What I like is that if two of my employees save the same email, eWay-CRM will merge them automatically. Besides, eWay always makes a copy of the email. It means that if you accidentally delete the message from Outlook, it will stay in your CRM. Saving and organizing emails in eWay-CRM online is so cool. Stop CCing and forwarding emails inside your team. Use eWay-CRM. To turn the automatic email saving in eWay-CRM online, go to Settings and click the tab Emails. If you've already used your Microsoft 365 login in eWay-CRM online, your account will be here. If not, log in and grant all necessary permissions. The next drop-down is my favorite feature, automatic categorization of saved emails. If eWay-CRM saves an email automatically, this feature assigns a category saved in eWay-CRM to the message. If I check my inbox, I can instantly identify what emails are already saved. See? This one has the category, so it's saved in eWay-CRM. Other attributes are quite straightforward. They allow you to save all emails or just the ones sent or received from contacts, companies, or users saved in eWay-CRM. You can set the rules up individually for incoming and outgoing emails. I like to save emails sent and received from contacts and companies, not users. I don't like our internal communications to be available to everybody. Let's be honest, some emails are sensitive. This only works if you keep your internal staff only as users and not as contacts. If you add your accountant as a contact and activate the automatic email saving for contacts, all your messages will be saved in eWay-CRM. That's not good, right? Don't worry, we have a way out. Ignore domains. This feature allows you to restrict a domain from being saved completely. I like to set our internal domain here and a domain of my CPA's agency, just to be sure. If you click this button, we'll take you to the admin center so you can set it up globally. And we are done. Let's have a look. Ha! I have just received an email from Patty, my accountant. She's using the domain myaccountant.com, so her email wasn't saved into eWay-CRM. Fantastic. Here comes another one from James, my customer. 1 second, and here is the category. The email was saved in eWay-CRM. Let me open the contact using our Outlook add-in and find the email in the hub. Here it is. Last tip before I leave you. If you want to talk about the email with somebody, use our integration with Microsoft Teams. Just right-click on it and select Chat in Teams. Find the person you want to talk to and click Chat. eWay-CRM opens Microsoft Teams and includes the link to open the email. You don't need to forward emails anymore. That's how we freed ourselves from crowded inboxes. It's so much better. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button below and make sure to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. You can also join our Reddit group and chat with other users. And most importantly, be effective. with eWay-CRM.